What's up everyone? It's me, your Sulichi John Valencia, and welcome back to Chulation Diaries, a mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC all over the world. Yes, ito na ang inyong request at may special greetings daw from the daughter of Matt Monroe. Oh my God, this is so exciting guys. But before I proceed, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to Truly Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go! Here it is, guys. Ang saya naman! Wow, ito pala yung mga clones. Ooh, that is so sweet! Oh, that is so sweet! Oh my God! Ay, ba't wala si Jerome? Wala si Jerome, guys, no? Oh my God, kaboses talaga ni Miley Cyrus yung babae. Oh, that is so sweet. Bakit wala si Jerome, guys? May ganap ba si Jerome at di siya naka-attend for Ruel's birthday celebration? Ay, meron pa. Baka nandito. Ay. Cute. Iba din ang bosesan. Binubulong ko ba, napaka-goofy talaga ng Ruel. Ang kilala ko lang, Gary V. Sa kabila siya nakatingin, guys. Ay, ito ata yung mami ni Ruel. Sala, hindi ko mahulaan yung mga boses nila, guys. Grabe. Ang kilala ko lang dito, Gary V, Miley Cyrus, tapos Michael Bolton and Steve Perry. Wow, is it in Spanish? Aww. Ang sweet naman ng Spanish version. May buhok na daw. Kalbo ba siya dati? Oh my God, it's like, is it Pavarotti? Something like that? Oh, diba? Or Andre Brucelli ba yan? Oo. Ganyan kumanta yun eh. Ang cute! Oh, ang sweet ng song nila. Diba? Ito ba lahat to ng finalist ng The Clones, right? Except Jerome. Jerome is not here. That is so sad. Kasi alam natin, super best friend din si Jerome at saka si Ruel, guys, diba? Baka may ganap siya. Yay! Si Lucky talaga, kuya-kuya niya, you know? Ang saya naman ng harmony nila. Ay, yung isa ata, yung Basil Valdez. Ba't may Yeye Butchekeg? Sweet! That is so nice. There you have it, guys. That is the clone celebrating the birthday of their bunso, Ruel Carino. At syempre ngayon naman titignan natin ang greetings ng anak ni Matt Monroe kay Ruel. Oh my God, this is so nice. So, ano pa ba inaantay natin? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Here it is, guys.
Hi, Ruel. It's Michelle, Matt Monroe's daughter, and I want to thank you
Oh my God, this is so sweet.
so much for your continuous love of my dad's songs. Now, music is able to transcend everything from religion, cultures, language, and, well, even time. And you're living proof of that, my darling.
Oh my God, that is so like validation message from the daughter of Matt Monroe himself, guys. This is Michelle Monroe. Legit na legit.
Now, may I take this opportunity of wishing you a wonderful birthday, and I hope it lives up to your expectations. And I wish you everything that you wish yourself for the future.
Wow, what a great wish.
And don't forget, please keep spreading Dad's legacy. God bless.
Now,
Oh my God, that is so sweet, guys. Coming from the daughter of Matt Monroe herself.
Ay, anak yun ni Matt Monroe.
I
Ano
have
masasabi
one
ng
wish.
Ruel?
Go ahead.
could we please have a round of applause for Matt Monroe's daughter, Michelle Monroe?
Aww.
Because, can I tell her a message personally from me?
Sure.
May message din siya. Tingnan
So,
natin.
to our beloved Michelle Monroe, the daughter of my favorite singer and my ka-voice, my clone.
Oh. Uy, in fairness, accent ni ni Ruel, parang British.
Pagdating dito sa Itbulaga, I'd like to sincerely thank you and I hope that we have many more years of cooperation and I hope that I keep this voice because I love your dad's voice very much.
Wow.
Thank you. We love you very much. Greetings
That is so sweet from
from
Ruel,
the Philippines.
guys. Aww.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Michelle Monroe. Oh my
Happy
God.
birthday, Ruel!
It's such a surprise, guys.
Happy birthday!
Happy
Michelle
birthday,
Monroe.
Ruel!
Maraming salamat. Thank you. Thank you very
So,
much.
dapat pala kinausap mo si Michelle, British accent din. Kaya mo ba yun?
Because here's a secret. When I'm on TV, the accent that I use is simplified. Because I grew up watching British television. I inherited the accent.
May
Okay,
British
yeah.
accent naman pala ang bunso. There you have it, guys. That is the celebration of Ruel Carino sa Eat Bulaga para sa kanyang 15th birthday. Oh my God, what a surprise to have an official message from the daughter of Matt Monroe and also seeing the rest of the clones singing and celebrating Ruel's 15th birthday. Such a gift from Eat Bulaga. And of course, sa lahat ng mga ka-RCFC natin dyan, send out your greetings to Ruel as well in the comment section. And what can you say about this surprise greetings from the daughter of Matt Monroe? That is already a validation that Ruel Carino captures the heart of the family of Matt Monroe. Alright, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Chulasia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.